Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought scare bob haircut with bangs for fine hair for you. A scare bob is a jaw length bob haircut that grazes the jawline area. It looks cute with the bangs too. Scare haircut with bangs is a perfect hairstyle that has plenty of variation. This style, for instance, puts the curtain bangs in the spotlight and we love it. Bangs are considered to be a very saucy, but all the fluff should not blind you to the woman's personality. Such type of women have a strong personality, but they like to be in touch with their feminine side as well. Scare bob haircut with bangs give you a new look without you having to compromise on the length of your hair. Scare bobs with bangs are best suited for women with a large forehead as they help you cover it up. If your hair is straight and fine, it's one of the best haircut to create texture and movement and at the same time keep it classy, simple and beautiful. It even fun to wear with effortless ways, creating a trendy and flirty look. If you have a small face, then this look is perfect for you. If you have a finer hair, this helps create a cleaner line. It looks instantly pulled together and pretty. It looks largely the same length, which makes it sleeker and more uniform. In summer, cutting your hair short can actually be tricky. It means that you don't have the length to tie it up and out the way when it's hot. Scare bob haircut with bangs is among women's favorite and you should try it too. If you want to know about more haircut and hairstyles, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.